I made this intro like 600 times. And the last time I made it, it was so perfect. It was hilarious. I could never make it again if I tried. I got this wound from my dog during that. You'll never know. You'll never know how perfect I made that comedy. And it was supposed to make the video seem like that much cooler. So I'm gonna do a different thing with this one. I'm gonna make this intro suck so bad that the video is that much cooler. Fuck. I don't know if you've ever ruined your morning by deleting all the footage you just did, deleting all the footage you used, deleting all of the extra cool shit. That's how this morning is going. Here's a video of Runkle.
I mean, these are just cops. They're not lawyers. They're not legal theorists. They're just police officers, and they follow that training.
I've got another example. I went to the Supreme Court of Canada on a case called the Queen and G.T.D. And it was basically an issue as to, so what happened in Canada is they'd say, do you want to talk to a lawyer? And the person would say, yes, I do. And the next question they'd ask is, do you have anything you want to say? And in some provinces, the question was, do you have anything you want to say in answer to the charges? And they're supposed to actually hold off once you say you want to talk to a lawyer, but nobody ever litigated this. This case kind of fell in my lap, and I was able to take it to the Supreme Court, and they said, yes, you can't ask the person if they have anything they want to say right after they've said that they want to talk to a lawyer. So the Supreme Court said that is a bad question because you're asking them to essentially provide evidence right after they've said that they want to talk to a lawyer. You have to wait until they talk to a lawyer. I got every police officer notebook in Canada. They directed the officers to Sharpie out that question. And then the next round of notebooks were printed without that question. Every notebook.
Wow.
So, like, that case had a, and I mean, it Sharpied out one line. So, I mean, in terms of the impact, it's like, okay, it's a big impact, but in a really tiny way. But it really does impact how the police do things because they then realized that they couldn't ask that question. It really changed how they, interact with people.
By the way, God bless you, Runkle, for the work you did in changing the country of Canada, for crying out loud. I didn't know that I had someone who was so impactful. It's actually that's a bigger feather in your cap than having 200,000 subs.
It's kind of a minor thing in the sense that it's one line.
Right. But it's very impactful. You know what? You could save people's lives from being wrongfully incriminated. That's a massive impact that can carry for centuries. That's a massive thing you did. That's incredible. And I have the utmost respect for you that you're able to make that change in the Canadian society for however long it has left in its future. But